The formation of the Earth. The beginning of the universe, the foundation for Earth's birth. About 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began with the Big Bang, a massive explosion that created space, time, matter, and energy. In the first few 100 million years, basic elements such as hydrogen and helium formed. Under the influence of gravity, they combined to create the first stars and galaxies. When massive stars in the universe reached the end of their lives, they exploded in supernovae. These explosions scattered heavier elements such as carbon, oxygen, silicon, and iron across the cosmos, the essential building blocks for planets like Earth. In a sense, both Earth and life itself originated from stardust, the formation of the solar system. Around 4.6 billion years ago, a giant cloud of gas and dust in the Milky Way began to collapse under the force of gravity. This cloud is known as the solar nebula. As the material condensed, most of the mass gathered at the center, heating up and eventually forming the sun. Surrounding the young sun, the leftover matter started sticking together through gravitational attraction and collisions, forming rocky and icy clumps called planetary embryos. Over millions of years, these clumps merged to become the planets, including Earth, the early Earth, a fiery inferno. In its infancy, Earth was a red-hot sphere, with its surface constantly bombarded by asteroids. This stage, known as the Late Heavy Bombardment, lasted for hundreds of millions of years. During this period, temperatures were extremely high due to asteroid impacts, radioactive decay, and gravitational compression. Heavy metals such as iron and nickel sank to the center, forming Earth's core. Lighter elements like oxygen, silicon, and aluminum rose to form the crust. This process created Earth's three-layer structure: the core, mantle, and crust. The birth of the Moon. About 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized planet called Theia collided with Earth. This cataclysmic impact ejected a huge amount of material into orbit. Over time, these fragments coalesced into the Moon. The Moon's formation played a crucial role in Earth's evolution. It stabilized Earth's axial tilt, reducing extreme climate fluctuations. It created tides, which later influenced the development of life. Earth cools down and forms the atmosphere and oceans. As the surface cooled, a solid crust formed. Volcanoes erupted continuously, releasing water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and other gases. These combined to create the primitive atmosphere. However, this early atmosphere lacked oxygen and was highly toxic to life as we know it today. Water vapor from volcanic eruptions condensed, falling as rain to form the first oceans. At the same time, icy comets colliding with Earth delivered additional vast amounts of water. By this stage, Earth had become a blue planet, providing the essential conditions for life to emerge. A great transformation, the rise of oxygen. Around 2.5 billion years ago, the first simple life forms, cyanobacteria, or blue-green algae, appeared in the oceans. Through photosynthesis, they began releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. At first, oxygen was absorbed by other elements, for example, bonding with iron to form red iron deposits. Gradually, however, oxygen levels exceeded absorption capacity and began to accumulate in the atmosphere. This led to the Great Oxidation Event about 2.4 billion years ago. This was a turning point, transforming Earth's toxic atmosphere into one rich in oxygen, paving the way for more complex life forms. Completing the living planet, over billions of years, Earth continued to evolve. Continents formed through the movement of tectonic plates. The climate fluctuated, with multiple ice ages and periods of warming. The biosphere expanded, from single-celled organisms to multicellular life, then plants and animals. About 600 million years ago, the Cambrian explosion triggered a rapid diversification of species. Since then, Earth has become a planet of extraordinary biodiversity, with continuous evolution ultimately leading to humankind. Philosophical and scientific significance. The formation of Earth was a process spanning billions of years, marked by violent upheavals. From a molten and chaotic sphere, Earth transformed into the home of life. This journey reminds us that humanity appeared only very recently, just a few million years compared to Earth's 4.6 billion year history. Earth did not arise by chance, but as the outcome of countless cosmic events. Protecting our environment today means safeguarding a planet that has endured 4.6 billion years of evolution. After 4.6 billion years of transformation, Earth has become humanity's only home in the vast universe. Knowing this, we all share the responsibility to cherish and protect our blue planet. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment and hit the bell so you won't miss the next one. See you in the next video. Bye, and thanks for watching. Every like, share, and subscribe gives me more motivation to create better content for you.